Okay, got in a few more things I ordered. So this is from Enailcourture. I am happy to say they are back to shipping within like normal times. I got this actually pretty quickly. I got it, and I forgot to look for the receipt for that Scentbird thing. No, it's just all about Juliet has a gun. Okay. All right, so Enailcourture. I don't even remember what I ordered. Let's see. But again, super quick shipment. I think it was within a week. Let me see what the date on the receipt. If it says May 17th. And today, and I got this even a day or two ago, is May 25th. I got this on the 22nd, so that was less than a week. So first item. Oh, gel. Application gel for the 123 gel nails. I still can't get those things to stay on. And it's not just his. It's the Caprice. It's all the similar system. None of the bonding gels work well for me, so I'm trying this one, which is like in a tube. We shall see. And, okay, let's see what else I got. His packaging is always so cute. Oh, base coat. So it's just some gel base coat. But the problem is I have one of those wall, like, nail polish organizers, and these are just way too tall. They only go on the top shelf. So I can only get so much of his stuff because otherwise I have no place to put it. Drop some foam. And ooh, these are nice. I got some, I'm tired, it's really late. What do you call it? Vinyl, it's not, you know, appliques, what do they call these things? I'm like, it's totally slipping my mind, but you know what I mean. Films. But these are super cute. He always has super cute of these. So let me show you the one I got this primarily for. I just loved that design. Isn't that cool? Like geodish but brown. Very like 70s vintagey. I'm eager to try that one out. But let me show you the others. Here's on the same vein. I like this. That's probably not, let me show you a side that shows, yeah. And let me just hold up the rest because I don't want to pull them all out. I'm not as big a fan of the other ones, though I do like them. It's a nice little package. But I really bought them for that and that one. Not sure when I'm going to try those out for pricing, just so you guys know. The foil kit, that's what it's called. $5.89. Super reasonable. I mean, his shipping has sucked in the past, but I've always thought his pricing was pretty good. Base gel, $10. And this new tube thing, $12.49. But the shipping, I think, is too much for him. If I remember correctly, the shipping, I think, was $8. It doesn't say on here, but I think that's too much. I would rather pay a little bit more per item and have just shipping included. All right, what else did I get? I saw a review on this, and I suck so bad at Polygel. I don't know why I keep wanting to try it. I'm like determined. What I have on my nails right now, it's kind of like a really sucky application job because I did it like at 3 in the morning for convention. It's hard to see. It's this like, it's from a Pre, and it's like their diamond gel. I did it over Lincoln Park in the dark, which I think is OPI. It's like a very purple black. I'm not really so crazy about this. It's not bad, but it just meh. You know, it doesn't get me all aroused. You know. Where did I put my scissors? Here they are. Birdie, birdie, bird. Okay, let's open. Okay, so this is the Markett, like jade green nail extension kit. But all I could think of when I saw other people doing review was just like Chinese jade. And I love jade. And I'm thinking there could be like some cool like oriental style dragon designs maybe. I'm not going to do anything with it now, but I do want to show you. Okay, it's this beautiful light green color, and I know the lighting sucks. So, let's see if I can, there. Isn't that nice? Just like the packaging. And I got it from Amazon. It was cheaper than the Markett site. They had like a discount on it. So a light green file. It's always nice to get another file. It's always nice to get another one of these, you know, with the brush on one end and the little scoopy on the other, because they get kind of nasty. So I do regularly pitch them. I don't keep a collection of these. Also comes with, ooh, surface cleaner. I don't think I've ever gotten this, anything like this in one of these kits before, and it also is light green. I was picturing a slip solution. There isn't a slip solution in here. I guess I'll just use alcohol, but is this supposed to be a slip solution? Let me read this again. Nail surface cleaner. No, that's not. Okay, what's this? Ooh, it's very difficult to read. Like this. I don't even know if you can see it. Like, you can't even see it on my camera. It's like white print on this light green. But the base coat, and this is probably a top coat. Whew. I can't even, now, I can, yeah, it is. You can barely see it. I'm going to have to write on here which is which. Okay. And I can't even read these tubes. Like you, let me see if I can. Like you can see the color label. I'm trying to get it to where the light, yeah, right there, but I can't read it. I would like to swatch it for you guys though, so I think just doing this very on the fly. I'm just going to stick it on this paper. If we can get a little swatch going on. But I probably got to take off, yeah, the, it's hard with my nails, the, you know, whatever you call that foil that closes the tube. I'm like tongue-tied today. So let's do the first one. It smells good. Well, no, maybe it doesn't have a, I don't know. I think I'm still smelling that perfume. Maybe it's growing on me. Okay, I don't know how well on this camera these swatches are going to show up, but let me tell you, that first one is like super pretty jade. Like the jade I'm thinking about, of like the carved dragons. The next one is more, well, maybe that's more like it. You know how you see one shade? Actually, no, that is more like it. That first one is more like Statue of Liberty color. Green. That second one is more like the translucent, like, jade carving. I can't get these foil, like, tops off my hands. Ugh. Totally not prepared. Let's see what this next one is. Oh, this is like an opaque, very light green, like minty. I mean, like these colors just are delicious. They look like they'd be really nice candy. And the last one is either white or clear. I think it's white. Okay, got that off. Not so sure. Nope, it's clear. I was wrong. Looks very clear, too. I really wanted a white. I don't think I have a white Polygel. But these are not very big tubes, but that's okay, because I might not like the colors, and I like to have a lot of colors, and it was inexpensive. I probably should look up how much it was. I think it was under $20 on Amazon. All right, and here, let's see if I can get it where you can actually see the colors. There you go. So that one on the far, this side, I think it'd be your left. Maybe it's your right, whatever, you know which one I mean. That's like the Statue of Liberty color. So the one here is more like the Jade Dragon. This one, it's not really showing up, but it's a light green, and then the last one is clear. All right, I'll let you know when I do an actual set with these. I think I'll try the Lazy Girl method, but I told you I was going to try my variation, like the double Oreo Lazy Girl, like sandwich both, like to use a tip on the bottom and a tip on the top, and I think I found the tip on the bottom to use. I have under here those, except for two of them, and this is what's going to lead me to this comment. Some really cheap tips I got from Sally. Well, two of them split the first day. They're super thin, but that might make it really good for this sandwich, the Lazy Girl sandwich method, right? So, I might try that. Well, this will be, I really want to get the pink extension set too. The pink Polygel. I want to see if there's instructions in here. Oh, well, durr. You guys were probably going, well, where are the forms? I'm so tired I didn't even think of it. Here are the forms underneath. The dirty dirt. God, I feel stupid. I have so many of these forms I didn't even think about it. Let's see what kind of curve there is on these. Oh, I think I'm going to like these. It's not... No, that's kind of a strong curve, but not as terrible. But it's not super flat like some of them. You know what I mean? Some of them are like, you know, flat as a pancake, flat as Kansas. It says 12 sizes, 5 pieces for each side. Kind of a chintzy little box, but you know. I want to see if it says anything in here about this nail prep, if that's supposed to be used as slip solution. Yeah, they're calling it slip solution in the packing list. It says it comes with 4 15 milliliter gel tubes, got it, 8 milliliter base coat, 8 milliliter top coat, 100-180 grit nail file, nail molds, spatula and nail brush, and slip solution. That isn't what it says on the box. But that's what it says in the instruction. Okay. I guess that answers my question. Oh, and look at the other kits they have. They have the, I'm looking at the monochromatic one. So they have the pink one, a blue one, and a purple one. Nice. Nice. All right. We shall do these when I do these. Maybe it'll be the next one I do, because I think this is very, very pretty.